The oil sector is one that has continued to be marred with controversy since the discovery of the mineral in the country. These range from delays to release important information about exploration activities to secrecy surrounding production sharing agreements, which civil society now says is threatening benefits that the country expects to reap from the sector.
Because we have seen Uganda, for example, in court with Taro over capital gains tax. They didn't want to pay some money. And we couldn't even have an informed discussion around that because we don't know what they were supposed to be paying and why they hadn't paid. So EITI would open that framework. So you'd be asking yourself, how much is Taro, Sinok, and Total supposed to be paying individually? And how much are they paying collectively?
The way the Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative is meant to work is through the involvement of everyone in the oil decisions, also known as the multi-stakeholder participation.
This, of course, involves government, it involves the private companies, it also involves the civil society, stroke the public. So we feel that if all these stakeholders participate in issues around oil governance, issues around oil revenues, issues around oil finances generally, there will be more transparency.
The overall goal is to hold both the government and investors accountable with a view of optimizing the benefits from the sector.
Basically because we want to know how much money the oil companies have been paying to us, to Ugandan government, for extracting our oil, and also how much money the Ugandan government has been receiving from the oil companies, and then as citizens to be able to engage in determining how we want to invest the revenues from oil, and also monitoring whether these investments are bringing value.
The oil sector is being fronted as one of the areas to turn around Uganda's economic fortunes. But for this to happen, the civil society maintains there has to be transparency and more stakeholder engagement. Ingrid Nantege, NTV Business.